Okay, there you saw my son ripping on it, and here is what I think about it. I think if you're hesitating on buying this bike, you definitely should do it. I mean, it's Chinese, but in my opinion, it's built pretty well. I'll show you from side, so you see. Yeah, I was hesitating to buy or not to buy this bike for my son, and so I'll show you what I did. I bought a bike, and I thought that would be a crappy Chinese bike, and I bought a spare engine with the transmission, clutch, carburetor, complete whole kit for $50. And so far we went through 5 gallons on gas through this bike and absolutely no issues. Oh, by the way, I also replaced the spark plug as soon as we got it because it was smoking a lot and I couldn't adjust the carburetor. So I did upgrade on NJK spark plug. So this is the original spark plug that came with the bike. We went like a 1 fuel tank on this spark plug, and it's not good. So what I did, I bought an NJK, and it's the BRMR 7A. It was like $4, $5 spark plug. What a difference it made. Also made a gain in top speed going with this quality spark plug. The spare engine that we bought, because I thought, like, you know, that thing will be breaking on us like every other fuel tank. So far, like I say, we went through like 5 gallons of gas. Of course you have to mix it, and no issues. This is a better built engine than one comes on the bike, because the one comes on the bike, that's plastic, and I'll show you on the bike itself. Plastic. This is power coated. Here is just a finished metal. But anyhow, we have a bunch of spare parts for the future. But like I say, 5 gallons of gas, no issues. So not many kids probably will ride that much, and even that, it's still worth it for them to have fun and see if you have a property to ride around. And I'm showing you, as you see, this is all plastic here, and this is metal, but looks like it's power coated. Other than that, it's a great bike so far. Like I say, we went through 5 gallons of gas on it and absolutely no issues. It's so much fun to ride, and he's been riding for like a past month, at least for half an hour or 40 minutes every day after school, and he loves it. And I think it was a great purchase. Only if you buy it, make sure you go through all the bolts, because I did find a lot of loose bolts on this bike, so you wanna, you know, be safe if you're putting your kid on it.